Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're venturing into the realm of citrusy delights with our crispy orange chicken. Imagine succulent bites of chicken, perfectly crispy and coated in a tangy orange glaze. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this mouth-watering recipe. Before we dive into cooking, let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need. 2 skinless boneless chicken breast, cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 egg white. 1/4 cup of water. Salt and pepper to taste. To make the orange sauce, 1/2 cup fresh orange juice. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. 1.5 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon sriracha or chili sauce. Red chili flakes if desired. Salt and pepper to taste. In a bowl, mix the chicken with cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, egg white, salt and pepper with water. In a deep pan or skillet, heat about 2 inches of oil. Carefully place the battered chicken pieces into the hot oil, a few at a time, to avoid overcrowding. Fry for about 3-4 minutes or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the fried chicken. Place it on a paper towel for 1 minute and fry again for make the chicken crispy. In a small bowl, mix orange juice, soya sauce, brown sugar, sriracha or chili sauce, salt and pepper. In a saucepan, heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally. To thicken the sauce, in a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until it forms a smooth paste. Gradually add this mixture to the sauce, stirring constantly. Continue to cook until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Once the sauce has thickened, add the fried chicken pieces to the sauce. Toss until the chicken is evenly coated with the orange sauce. Garnish your crispy orange chicken with sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Serve your homemade crispy orange chicken hot with steamed rice or your choice of side dish. And there you have it. Your crispy orange chicken is ready to be enjoyed. Perfectly crispy, delightfully citrusy, a true symphony of flavors. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tasty adventures. Enjoy your meal, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!